Up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Hedera Hashgraph guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price update of Hedera Hashgraph. What's going on in Hedera Hashgraph? What's the price? What is the price changes occur? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video I request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Hedera Hashgraph guys. The right now price of Hedera Hashgraph in the market is 0.37268 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Hedera Hashgraph guys. Furthermore, if you study the price chart, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph, completely going in the lows guys. Hedera Hashgraph are also going in the lows from last 1 month. But you can see here guys now of that last 1 day price chart, and from last 1 day, I mean last 24 hours, the price also going in the lows. But now from last 60 minutes the changes of Hedera Hashgraph gradually, not a quick jump occur. Slowly Hedera Hashgraph price start pumping guys, but they takes time guys. The changes will become positive very soon, but it takes time. So that's why guys I recommend for you that please wait. And again I'm talking about patience. Patience is very important in the cryptocurrencies market. If you have patience, so absolutely you will get money, you will get profit from crypto. But if you have no patience, so I'm sorry, nothing you will get, because in crypto you can see now Hedera Hashgraph from the last 1 month changes becomes negative, so you have to wait for a pump. Maybe now you have to wait for 2 months, you have to wait for 1 year, like that, and after that you get profit guys. Anyways guys, hope you like this update video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos guys.